We have the management, Balram Garg, joining us. Sir, great having you with us on Profit. Can you talk about the issue, the objectives of the issue, and what do you plan to do with the money?
Actually, we are opening the IPO on 10th of December and we are closing on 12th. And the price band is 125 to 135. And for retail investor, we are giving discount for 5 rupees. And we are raising around 600 crore rupees. And the use of this proceed is we are opening 20 new stores, 7 stores in this fiscal year and 13 stores next fiscal year. And we are adding almost 11 new states, and for the inventory and for capex we are raising this money.
Talk about the working capital levels in the company.
We have a we are very comfortable. We have working capital limit, but our debt equity ratio is 0.55%.
What about the net worth? I believe your net worth has grown quite a bit.
In 30th September, our net worth is 700 crore against and that level is 370 crore.
Can you talk about the capital position of the company, including your debt to equity ratio?
Yeah, definitely we are very comfortable because our debt to equity ratio is 0.55% only.
What about the growth plans that you have, particularly in the branded jewelry space?
Actually, in India, only the 10% sector is organized and the 90% sector is unorganized. So I think there is a huge potential to grow in this sector. And our branded sector growth is almost 30 to 40%. So I think there is a huge potential in in this sector.
With gold prices rising all the way to 32,000, is demand getting hit?
Actually, we are a hedge company, and we procure our gold on the gold loan scheme, where it will not impact our company for the price fluctuation. Our company is not impacted by the price fluctuation, so we don't track the gold price. So it may come down in future and it may go up. So it will not impact our company.
But overall, what kind of growth are you projecting on the demand front?
I think it's a huge market. Or for a period, you can see sometimes the demand is slow, sometimes demand high, but I don't think that demand will come down.
What about your sales mix, the focus that you will have towards gold versus the diamond jewelry space? Would the focus be more on the diamond jewelry space as pricing differential increases?
Actually, in our total sales, 32.6% is diamond jewelry and the balance is gold jewelry. And in our total sales, 32% from the export side and the 68% from the domestic side.
What about earnings outlook for FY 13-14?
Actually, I cannot comment for the future, but definitely if you see our growth, we are growing. Our growth our top line growth is almost more than 50%, and our EBITDA level growth is almost 68%.
And just one final question: with RBI putting so much restrictions on gold imports, how would you be able to counter this? Do you think that's also a genuine threat for the industry?
Actually, RBI want to ban gold for the traders only. So they are telling banks not to give loan to the trader, not the jewelry company. So I think I think it will not impact your company.
All right. Well, that's the management of PC Jeweler. The IPO opens on the 10th.